Hello guys, welcome to Fathom episode 2. So hopefully this one is better than the first one. As I said in the first episode, I've played these ones before on another channel, which this happened to me when I was 19. I'm a little over 21 now. Wow, 3 years ago. I still remember this very clearly because of how creeped out I felt. I was a bit hesitant to write this out for the internet at first, but getting it out may help even if just a little bit. I was one of those people that loves gaming conventions. I'd go I'd go to every convention I get the chance to, and sometimes even meet some of my online friends. Though my parents weren't always thrilled at the idea of me going on interstate drives, but a plane ticket would have been too expensive. This convention I was at went great, and it was now the day to drive back home. But when I set off, I soon realised the traffic was horrible. I decided that if I take the long way to avoid the traffic, no, it was a little over a 12-hour drive. Oh, am I going to have to drive? I hate driving. Broom broom. Drive safe, Holly. Stop texting me whilst I'm driving. Where did you reach? I honestly have no clue. Near halfway through the drive, I realised I was low on gas. Told you to take that flight. Who does he think he is? Oh look, it's a creepy man. See, I'm so good at driving. How can I get $10 on pump two? Dot dot dot. Be careful. What do you mean? Oh, it's not cleaned. Hey man, come back here. What has he put on my car? I filled the tank and I was off to the road. Dog food. No, that sounds easy. Just just some dog food. Where would the dog food be? Oh, seems like a nice day to have a drive. Being on the road, you do realize a thing. Monsters truly do exist. And every single one of them looks just like you and me. What did our guy do to my car? I'll admit I was a terrible driver. I'm not that bad. Alright, I think I'm close. I think I'm close to where the car shuts down. This really very weird thing about night. It's almost as if someone had deliberately put them there. I'm not saying that I was starting to believe whatever the bullcrap what happened, but if I was slightly of unease, I didn't mean to make this sound like a cliche horror story, but throughout my life I was told not to take rides from strangers. But at that moment I had no choice. I was scared to think how long it would take for someone to pass. Hopefully not that long. Driving at night is very therapeutic to me. Well, at least it used to be. 10:23 p.m. I saw a car nearing. Where? Bit rude, mate. Pure evil. I don't understand how somebody could leave another human being stranded like that. "10:43 p.m. You're the girl from the gas station. What are you trying to do out here? Where are you headed to? Hop in. Hurry up, just throw it in the back. I won't be here for very long too, or for too long. I only had two hands. Goofy moment. Is there a way for me to go any faster? Like, this is so slow. You guys can put the answer in the comments if you'd like to help. Have to be faster in for years to fathom. You need to hurry up. I don't have all day. Finally, now hop in. Be quick. You know, this is relaxing. At least this guy knows how to drive. So you won't tell me who you are or where you're going? Jason. My name's Jesus. Jason. I'm Holly. How many trees do you think this guy could eat? You're real lucky I had to be on this side of the town tonight. I must say, you are one brave young woman. You got any clue what happened to your car back there? Yeah, a random man came up to it and put something on it. Are you sure? So what did you think about what he told you back at the gas station? I don't listen to a single word. Interesting. Idiot tells that to every person travelling down here. So is it true? What, the monster? Let's say I've never seen the monster for myself, but there are some things, and I'm afraid your car breaking down could have been one of them. Hey, listen, I don't want to sound like that moron, but just remember this: you don't bother them. Oh, you don't bother them, and you don't be bothered. So, are you one of them? You got really big ears. You know, I'm sorry for being a jerk to you before. I'm not the best with people. I can tell. 12:08 a.m. After a little bit of small talk, he dropped me by a motel. Apparently they offered roadside assistance. Besides, I thought I could use a little rest. Be careful, there are all kinds of people out there, he said ominously before leaving. Hey! The man was putting out the creepiest vibes imaginable. Gal need a room shack up for tonight? $40 for a single. Pay cash only. Room number 9 right over there. $90. Time to take care of it next thing in the morning. Good, I'll let Tommy know. And one last thing. Try not to wake the other guests. They might not take very nicely to it. Um, great. Be careful. They might hunt you down. It was nice and warm inside, except there was a smell, a type of musky smell you get from the house. Oh no. Alright, jump scare warning. What are you doing here? I'm Tommy. Room service here at Roadway. Best stop over in Norwood. You know, cleaning stuff. Heh heh heh. I'm gonna have to ask you to step outside while I make the room. Please wait outside. I said go get your stuff. Not approved for occupancy. Oh. Oh dear God. We're all gonna die. Hey up, Tommy. Edward Joe, about the situation. What is wrong with people these days? What is wrong with these people? Mercy, mercy, mercy. But don't you worry, it's safe here. I'll go get your car. And also, the room's phone is now working. If you need anything, just ask the front desk. We've been trying to get it fixed, but we haven't been seeing enough guests lately. Yeah. But you have a good night. The way this guy does his walk. This guy's walking like a chill guy. Yeah, he's just gonna keep on smiling the entire time and just keep on walking. Walking but not talking. Walking but not talking. Phasing through lampposts. 'Cause that's what I do. Now I'm gonna drive away with non-moving wheels. Yeah, you can. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to get my stuff. Yep, that's right. I only have two hands. For good boys and girls, Pat pat. Oh nice, it's brand new. Hey man, call it foresight, but there's something very off about this place. Jokes on you, I already know what's on that coffee machine. Espresso. No, it won't, because these items are drugged. You guys do not understand how hard this is. Three 18 a.m. I was sedated. Or sedated. Wing wing. Well, there's someone in the closet. Didn't I specifically tell you not to wake anyone up? I have complaints. What are you making all those goofy sound noises for? Whatever it is, just keep it down, miss. Is that why are your eyes all red? Are you messing with me? We don't have no coffee machine here. It's right over there. Okay, okay, here. I've had enough of your crazy goons here. For once I thought we had a sober guest, but I guess I'm the crazy one here. I hate my job. Hey man, come have a look at this guy in the closet. Oh, I can't lead him there. Knock knock. Go back to the room. What is it? I said go back now. Okay. There should be some medication in your room. I should offer you some relief. Check the table by the TV. Okay. He's seen something. He has seen something. Alright, creepy guy's gone. Alright, now it's sleepy time. Yep, there's creepy guy. Please open the door. I need help. I need your help. Please open the door. Please leave. I just want to talk to you. I swear I'm not a cop. Pretty lady, come on. Nope. Hell no. You- Nah. Bro pulled a quick one. What the hell? To this day, I find it really weird that the manager interfered not to get the police involved, as it would affect the motel's reputation or let go of the situation. I believe that the town could have been home to a cult or a drug ring, or possibly something even worse. Tommy arrived with the car after what felt like years. Well, a year. I never went on long road trips again. I would always take airplanes. Good for you. Very good for you. Anyways, guys, that was Fiesta Fathom. Bye.